Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to Speed Tutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 6th of September 2021, and this is a feature of all the best games, visual effects, projects that I've been able to find for Unity for this month. Be sure to submit to me if you have something awesome and you've got a chance to feature in next week's episode. So be sure to come and like this video because it would really help me out. Come and support me on Patreon to get scripts and projects, and check out the actual deal that's on the Unity store. Get some free packs. Check out $2,000 worth of packs on the Humble store for a really incredible price. Number 1 is user Junior Correo 28, and this is You Can Always Die Another Day. Next one is user Turns with their finished artwork for I Am Fish. User Adwaith Radhan has added some simple car AI that's actually more dangerous than you. User Jazza008 has a mobile game for conducting traffic, and it looks as frustrating as it seems. Foxhole Tactics has a little walk around the village of Dale. User Nakteam has got driving around at night. User Birdmask Studio has got a game jam game called Crash and Collect. User Gribarko has got their student project, which has had 1.5 years of development. User Comp3 Interactive always has to look both ways when you're crossing. CharlesGrassi has got a really awesome looking water shader. User Soliloquis has got a really awesome Entering a Planet. Open World Interactive has got their new sailing mechanics. Boltzmann games when the forest is more of a nuisance than anything else. User Rippons has got some Unity's visual effects graph, which looks kinda scary. Hypermegapixel, has bush cutting ever felt so therapeutic? Self-Shot has made a demo for their roguelike Flappy shooter. Matthew Hallberg has got X-ray vision for their augmented reality tech. User eTessalast, maybe when speedrunning is allowed. User Happygamedev has got a new companion which can help you collect everything. Big Rock Games is exploring Mars for a scrap of anything. NewbieldieGameDev has got Pac-Man and Snake rolled into one. What name could this have? Rockateerder has got their arcade retro racer. SuggoCreations has got a draw shader which is better than me drawing in real life. Stefone has got a bubble shield effect with some interactions. Redux Entertainment has got their new Tycoon Simulator game, Power to the People. CatHunt has made some improvements to the bullet hit particles, and I really like it. HAUAJ has got some new bow and arrow mechanics.